lakes for breakfast, then I grab my ride. E-bike, charge up, hit the trail and glide. No need for hustle, just a peaceful vibe. Rails and trails away from city jive. Suburban soldier, camo cargo shorts. Helmet on tilt, no need for full court. Cruising clean paths, ain't no urban sprawl. Just me and my thoughts, no one's trying to brawl. Quiet on the e-bike, rolling on the tracks. Peaceful like a monk, ain't no need to act. Wind in my face, city miles back. Alone in my zone, chilling off the map. Middle-aged crisis, not just pure zen. Trading in the chaos for that tranquil blend. Pedal assist power, calm without the friends. Solitude's my ally, ain't trying to pretend.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Is in the mind, riding solo missions, disconnect to unwind. Trimming off the noise, serenity I find. E-bike whisperer, wheels are intertwined. Quiet on the e-bike, rolling on the tracks. Peaceful like a monk, ain't no need to act. Wind in my face, city miles back. Alone in my zone, chilling off the map.